Oh, at least it's still raining. That's well cool. Oh, anybody do the stupid run towards that car? Oh! Never park far away. It's unnecessary. Excuse me. If you cannot tell, I've got a really bad throat. That's what I sound like. I've got a really deep voice, but it's time to go for a little drive. Time to go for a little drive. I can't talk. For the last time. It's what I used to listen to when I was about 2. So I've just gone to the end of the road, but before I get anywhere too far, just want to say that what I said over the other day about my water problem being sorted is 110% not, and probably even worse than what it was before. Once again, I did do a little bit of footage of me putting some silicone in the back to try and block some of the holes where the water might be coming through, but that has not worked. But I'll show you that in a video, and I'll probably add that to the clip of more stuff. But this is what we're getting, because we've got a massive puddle and it keeps raining, then the sun comes out, is we get this. So I've had to pull over anyway because I can't bloody see, but on every single window we have got water. And if I used to keep like a microfiber cloth in here that I could just reach back and wipe with and keep going and stuff like that, but I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I might have to use a torch, but this is the situation we got on the back foot at the moment. See that shine? Why is it shining? Oh yeah, because there's a lake. I have a lake in my car. Anyone want to come swim in? A few pounds a time, I'll take it. What a joke. But only back there, not in the front, not under the driving seats, just, no, that's a lie. Underneath the passenger seat it is, not under the driver's seat. Driver's seat is clean. Look at the glass. Ooh, beauty. Let's do it then. Oh, I've wiped it, now it's fogging up again. So I'm going to apologise because there may be some bull squeaking, there may be some deep words. I might even start whispering at some point, but it's getting a little bit better now. I've had a lot of medicine and lips and all that jazz to try and make me sound a bit better. But yes, we are going on a drive in my car again for like the second video in a row, mainly because this is the last time I'm going to be driving the 182, potentially the last time ever. Hopefully not, obviously. I want to keep the car, I want to sort it out and get it going, but if all out fails and I fall in love with the 197 and change my mind completely, I'll keep that and get rid of this. So whether that'll be the whole car or parts, I don't know. But yeah, so we'll see, but I just wanted to go on the last little drive now, just before it gets dark as well, hence why I haven't wiped my window, so don't judge me for that. I can see through it. But yeah, we're going to go on a little drive. I'm just going to have some fun with it really, just for the last time. Hopefully it will come back, because I've just got a t-shirt made with the car on the back and my new sort of, I don't know, branding in a way on the front of a t-shirt. It's just I wanted to wear the t-shirt while I'm doing the videos, but obviously the videos now will be, obviously I will still be doing videos on the Mark II, so don't be disheartened, I will still be on this car doing videos of it, sort of showing you content with it, because I want to sort it out, I want to get it good again, and obviously eventually after 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, however long it's going to be garaged for, after all of that I want to take it to Effie and get it remapped, so hopefully at the end of the day it'll be running a lot better and we can hopefully sort it out and get it to the best that it's been. But there's a few things I want to do, which means it needs to be off the road. There's a few things that mean it doesn't need to be off the road, but it'll be nice that it's garaged, because it's raining so much at the moment, and as you can tell from Lake Jordan in the back of my car, that it's best that it's not outside getting soaking wet while I'm at work. So last time I put this car out. Bang on the money. This is the last last time I could physically drive my car, because now it's Friday night, so at 12 PM tonight, it will switch my insurance from this car to Bradley's 197, so that means I need to get the tax done. I think the tax is similar to this, maybe a little bit more now. I think it's about 290 for the year. Like I said, I'll probably do 6 months to start with, because that is the max that I want to sort of keep it for, is around about 6 months. So we're going to see how we get on there. 6 months of tax. I have to sort this, so hopefully I can get a little bit of a refund from there as well, because I'm pretty sure I'm taxed until sort of early next year, so there'll be a little bit of money back, so it shouldn't hopefully be too bad. To swap my insurance from the 182 to the 197, they obviously added an admin charge, as they always do, because insurance companies love it. It cost me £78 for the rest of the year, and I'm insured until April, I believe. So 78 quid to swap it over and obviously tax me on this car. Everything declared. Obviously I'll go through the mods with you guys when I'm in the car. When I'm in the car and doing my video, so hopefully we can talk about the car and what the car's got to offer. So that should hopefully be quite fun as well. I'm just really excited, but also quite sad, because I love my little car and I love driving around in this because it's just so much fun. But I'm really intrigued to see what the 197 is like, which a lot of you guys seem to as well. It's not going to give the roar from the front like this does, because it hasn't got the induction kit, but by then hopefully my voice will nearly be back, because it's a little bit better today. And yeah, we can start smashing some videos. I've had a few little sort of private messages about what people want to see for the videos. Obviously I still am doing videos on this car, so if you want me to do things, even the old ones like I used to do, like the how-tos, I don't know, how to take off a wing or something, I don't know, whatever you guys want me to do, I can do it on this car. It will be garaged in my little garage. There isn't a massive amount of room, but it's dry and hopefully it's good. Shout out for this, for out storing it. If anyone's stored a car as well for sort of months and months and months and has tips on best ways to store cars, do I disconnect the battery and stuff like that? I don't really know what are the do's and don'ts. Should I leave my windows down as well to keep it sort of air vented, especially because it's quite damp in here? Obviously I'm going to dry it out as best as I can and give it a good old clean before it goes away, but what are the best things to do when you store a car? I don't really know. I might have to look it up if I don't get much feedback from the video, but it will be going into the garage and the 197 is out to play, so yeah. Hopefully I'll be back in this car. Merchandise t-shirt is coming. I'm obviously going to be wearing it and testing it, washing it, seeing what it's like and stuff like that. But obviously I'll show you guys, and if you guys fancy it, I'm not going to charge the moon for it. If you want to check it out, it is on my Instagram. I've done a few posts recently of the designs I've had done and what hopefully it's going to look like. And yeah, hopefully you guys like it. And like I say, if you do want one, I'll probably make a couple of £1 on each t-shirt, but I'm not going to rip you guys off, because I don't know, that's not what I'm about. If you want to buy the t-shirt and enjoy the t-shirt, then that's perfect. And I'll save up all those pennies and hopefully put it back into my car and create more content for you guys. That's sort of the way forward. But it's just one colour and one design at the moment. I've only got 1,000 subscribers, so I'm not going to be going crazy, but yeah, let's have a little burn. Nah, I'm gonna miss that so much. Obviously the Clio 197 is, I would say is a little bit louder than mine, obviously from the exhaust, which you guys are gonna get to see. But obviously it isn't going to have that induction kit noise from the front. I've looked at induction kits, etc for it, and other sort of mods and parts, but I'm pretty sure I just want to enjoy the car first, and then think about doing the mods and going like that, if the car stays for a little bit longer than I think it's going to stay. But it's all a sort of if time, well, time's going to tell kind of thing, rather than it's going to happen. But like I said, I'm going to enjoy it while it's here. I'm going to sort my car out and make sure that is ready, sort of, obviously for that scenario if I need to come back to it. It's going to be running beautiful, it's going to be ready to rock straight up to Effie for a map, and that'll be a video as well to see what kind of brake we can get out of it. Obviously I'm not going to go crazy. I would love a low boost kit, that'd be so cool, but I think I want it just to run good first, and then once again if I can save some dollars we'll go for it. But I enjoy my holidays too much, unfortunately, and buying full of stuff for my house. But yeah, I really do hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I know I've been waffling on these last two, but I just wanted to come out for one more drive in my car, just before I put it away and have to look at it for the next long amount of time. And yeah, oh, it's a little bit sad. So I've not had this car off the road in 6 years, so it'll be quite weird. But I'm doing that, you know, really cool guy thing where you put it away for winter, you know, garage it, keep it safe. But obviously mine isn't a beauty queen. Mine's a little bit battered and bruised, and it's been used for anything and everything. So that's it. End of car number 1. But we do technically still have 2 cars for the channel, so hopefully that'll bring more content for me if I get my ass in gear and work out a sort of a video schedule for you guys and myself. But I hope all the views and all the likes keep coming, because I'm really enjoying doing it at the moment. Well excited to get my t-shirt, well excited to sort this car out, well excited to drive the 197. And tonight at 12 PM it is time, I am insured. We're getting the tax done and we'll go out on our first drive in Renault's upgrade of the sport variety. Well, an upgrade in some ways, let's say. We'll see. But yeah, thank you for tuning in again. I know it's just been a chat. I haven't done any elaborate filming, but I hope you guys have enjoyed it. It's getting really dark. And I will catch you next time in the Clio 197. Or maybe it'll be me crying putting my car away in the garage, I don't really know. But thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, guys. Goodbye. So we need to get Niagara Jordan out the back seat, but other than that, we is good. Hello, my pretty.